Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I trust you're doing good. I am back with another reaction video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out Carpenters performing Rainy Days and Mondays. Yeah guys, I trust this is going to be an amazing one, and I can't wait to share this moment with you all. Before we do that, if you are yet to hit that subscribe button, please do so and get us to 5,000 subscribers and more. And if you enjoy watching my videos, give my videos thumbs up. Yeah guys, with that being said and done, let's listen to Carpenters right away. Karen. Yeah, I can remember her name. I can't remember her brother's name. I think Richardson or something like.
Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit.
Oh,
hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems
she can draw.
There's a wind up here with you.
Oh my.
Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me
melodious.
That it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about.
Guys, this was a sweet one from Carpenters. I really love Karen's voice. How calm, and she's super talented, singing and drumming at the same time. Wow, she makes me want to learn an instrument. Like, I love this. I trust you all enjoyed listening to Carpenters, and I've got to go now. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, keep staying safe, and remember, I love you all. Bye guys.